Hello my crafty crew, today we are going to turn something very simple into a stunning piece of decor. We are going to transform these disposable plates into this amazing wall hanging or wall decor. To create this, we will only need acrylic paints in earthy tones. So let's get started. We start by painting the plate. Now comes the fun part. Use white paint to make doodles or abstract shapes, faces, mandalas, or minimal patterns. Keep it creative and personal. You can go ahead and add a pop of color. So your beautiful handmade wall hangings are ready. Simple, creative and made with love. I will also show you a few more that I have created. Don't forget to experiment with colors, patterns and your own unique designs to make each piece truly yours. If you enjoyed this DIY, share it with your friends and try it out yourself. Bye for now, crafty crew.